Today, the 5 anticipative bails had come up before the Sessions Court PJ2 regarding the Sangya incident, which took place at the Sangya police station on 13th. The court had initially granted them interim protection till today. Thereafter, in the morning session, it came up for argument, wherein it was pointed out that custodial interrogation is very much required, and hence both the parties had argued on that as well. The bails filed were by Pritamanand Kudikar, Suraj Balikar, Tattaraj Raut Desai, Heshaya Costa, and Firaj Agekar. The police had vehemently opposed to this bail, and upon the arguments of the prosecution and the say filed by the police, the JMF, the session judge, district judge 2, has passed the order ejecting all 5 bail applications.
Your good name?
My good name is Public Prosecutor Sanford Fernandez.